Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, go choose, depending on your trading style and timeline, it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we given daily signals. As we enter a short that 2 days, it make nice profit. Yes, today we enter in a long, then it hit for us the stop lose, but that's a part of the game. Even you can benefit from those things if you want. The link of our Discord and Telegram is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, the market, it gave us here a very big candle because of the Fed minute meeting, and people they still scared of the recession now. That's why we saw that big falling down, because now the Bitcoin is very correlated to US stock. Not a part of the game. Now what shall we do here at that level here? For people that been with me, what shall we do? People on my Telegram and my Discord, I just tell them to buy 25% from here. As we buy from here 25% and now here. I'm going to explain to you why. Even you do the same thing. You buy 25% from that level here. Now whatever it's left in your account, buy 25% from it. That means 25% from the capital you have in your account. Now you buy it from here, and I'm going to tell you why. Now for the long term is like that. That's what I told you. We got here that wage. That wage, it doesn't get broke down here, and also now we touch that trend line I show you in the weekly. We need to wait in the weekly candle to finish, then also we're going to make a decision based on that. But now either it's going to go back to break here and to go back up, or it's going to fall down to touch the 100 moving average. Even that one, it's possible. Let me show you why also we buy, guys. Also we buy because we touch here the 100 moving average. Yes, there is high chance the Bitcoin is going to fall down to touch here the 200 moving average. There is a very high chance also we're going to fall down to touch it. Should we get scared? No, my friend, there is nothing to get scared. Now also we are in that stronger supply and demand zone, that one here. Now we just touch it now. You see it or no? That's why even me personally I buy the Bitcoin. Me personally I buy the Bitcoin, but here without leverage, without nothing, just spot Bitcoin. It's going to be for long term, because me personally I'm thinking if you watch in Friday video, going to know what else we're talking about. Fundamental, everything still looking very great for Bitcoin, and that normal Bitcoin it's falling down, those things like that. So now also we will buy from here, and if it fall down to that level here and touch the 100 moving average, we're going to buy again. Everything is too clear. And let me to show you a second thing why me I buy. You remember that indicator of us? Look at it. It entered here to oversold area and started changing his color like that. Yes or no? That's why me I buy. Maybe it's going to fall down more to the touch the 200 moving average, and also we got a plan for it. Then from there we're going to see a major jump, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the coming news for today. For pictures get more clear to you, so let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, look at it. That's what we got today. We got initial jobless claim and Philadelphia Fed manufacturing. Even those ones, they will got a smaller impact to the market. But here, the most important is that table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here. What it's telling us till now. You remember Monday what I told you about the green candle happen? Just 2 days ago. But just 2 videos and watch the same that table here, and you're going to understand what I told you. I told you we're going to see a red week, and that's what happened exactly, guys. A red week. Even here, the VIX, it's telling us that, look at the VIX. You remember we used to be 14. Now we are near to 17, guys. Currency is too high now. Plus, the US dollar is still going up 103 because of the Fed. And today, the Fed, he tell them they are going to increase more interest rate. I don't know tell where they want to reach. You see it or no? That connecting those dots together. Fed, inflation, and US dollar. That's why the market is falling down. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there for swing trading. Here we are in the 4 hours. Yesterday I haven't put for you any video, but the video before yesterday I told you like that. We got a trend line. From here we'll have you enter short from here. Look till where? Till down here. People they been with me. Also we enter a short from here, from the double top here when it's getting broke here till down here. And in the last video I told you also we are going to touch here that level here exactly. Did we touch it? Look where we are. Now what shall we do at this time? Now we need to looking for a price action here for us to enter long, guys. We need to find a price action at that level here to enter long. Why? Because also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. That the fourth time when we touch it, as you see it in front of you. Maybe it's going to break it. Maybe from here it's going to go back up. I was going to confirm that for us. A price action. If it came to us here, a price action at that level here, we'll enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Let me show you why I told you to enter long at this time. Let's go to see our indicator. Our indicator, guys, look at it. Where it is. Is it at the oversold area? You see it or no? That indicator, majority of the time, when it touching those levels here, is going to happen a big jump. You want me to show you historical? I'm going to show it to you, but we're going to make that video too long. People, they been with us, they remember that. Us, we just touching here, the oversold area. Maybe we're going to see another 4 hours to deep down here, or maybe from here we're going to see another jump. Should we enter long now? Price action is going to tell us that. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. Even that one is telling us as we enter here to oversold area. Level as we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter long? We need a price action. We enter short last time from here because of that double top here. Now we need a price action here telling us also we need to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Or another thing, you can make a trend line like that and you wait it to get broke here. You can enter long again. For the short, you can make something like that. Let me show you. You can make like that and like that. Like a triangle here. If it's breaking down, you can enter short to the 200 moving average. If it's breaking up here, another story. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter a short from long time. I can show it to you, but it's okay. We enter a short because of that head and shoulder here. That one here, exactly. You see it here, it gives us here a head and shoulder here in that place. That candle here will break it. We enter a short, call down here. Down here, what happened here? I'm going to show you what happened here. Why me I closed that short earlier. Because I've been following the price here like that and here like that. You see that wage here. That for the people they follow me. It's breaking here. Me I enter along and I give you a signal to enter along and we put stop loss down here in that part. Market it went up a little bit till here. Then after that it dipped down all that much. You see it or no? Now at that level here, what shall we do? Shall we enter long? Shall we enter short? For you to enter long is like that. You see it or no? Not the trend line, because till now we don't got any price action here, because that one is just a falling knife, guys. And me have been teaching you too dangerous to catch in a falling knife. That's what me have been teaching you. Yes or no? Another thing, now here, that in the top down, you can make something like that. You see it or no? Like a channel, you touch the top of it here, here, and down you touch down here. Now either that one is going to go back up to touch here, for us to enter long again, or another scenario from here is going to break down and to go more down. Look at it here to explain those things to you. Look here, that in the top. Look down here, you can make it from here. You got a wage here. Very clear wage here. Or you can even bring it from here like that. You got a very clear wage here. If it's breaking above here, we need to enter long. If it's breaking down here, that means more short to come, guys. Let's see our indicator. What is it saying? Our indicator is telling us also we enter here to oversold area. Should we buy? Level us, we are in a very stronger level in the 4 hours. Should we buy? Not yet. It's need the market to give us here a price action. It's need the market to bounce here to give us a price action like how it's being bouncing here. That it give us here a fake out here. Although when it's breaking down, I enter a short, but me, I don't want to enter. Everything is too clear? So, that's it for that video, and please guys, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.